Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Caribbean-style potato salad using an easy method. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need about 2 pounds of waxy potatoes, like Yukon Gold or red potatoes, which hold their shape beautifully. Also, have on hand 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of finely diced celery, 1/4 cup of finely diced onion, and 1/4 cup of finely diced bell pepper. Now, let's prepare those potatoes. Wash your 2 pounds of potatoes thoroughly, then place them in a large pot of cold, salted water. Bring to a boil and cook until they are fork tender, which usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Once cooked, drain them well and let them cool completely. This step is crucial for a firm, not mushy, salad. Finally, peel and dice them into uniform 1-inch cubes. With our potatoes ready, it's time to create that delicious Caribbean flavor. In a large bowl, combine your 1 cup of mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Stir until smooth. Next, add your finely diced celery, onion, and bell peppers to this creamy dressing. Finally, gently fold in your cooled, diced potatoes, ensuring every piece is beautifully coated with the flavorful mixture. We are almost there. Now, season your potato salad generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Don't be shy, proper seasoning makes all the difference. For an extra burst of freshness and color, stir in about 1/4 cup of chopped fresh parsley or chives. Cover the bowl and chill the salad in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. This allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together perfectly. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.